Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Zarina here. I wanted to start a new series called My 30 Life. I'm on Instagram on my30life_, and I wanted to document some of the things that I'm doing now that I'm 30. So for today, I'm just gonna jump right in it. I'm gonna organize some of my shoes. So I've been holding on to some of my shoes since I was like 18 years old. And my shoes have seen it and been through it all. But I'm holding on to them because I just can't get rid of them. They look so good. And there's so many of them. And there's so many memories that go along with them. But I never wear any of it. So I think it's about time for me to get rid of some of my shoes. I've lately been purchasing stuff that has a little bit more quality to it. So not that shiny hot pink stiletto that I used to like back in the day. Now it's more of the leather booty that I could wear for longer than 5 hours. So today I want you guys to come with me. We're in my basement and I'm gonna get rid of some shoes. So this is gonna be a part of my 30 Life series. I don't know what the next one will be, but I thought this would be fun in case you need some purging. We could purge together. And I kind of want to document some of the things that I'm doing as I'm getting a little bit older. So thanks for watching. Okay, if you guys can see, I kind of have a theme here. I got a ton of freaking heels. Like all this, heels, 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 sneakers. Looks like I have 3 pairs of sneakers, flats, 3 pairs of slats, 3 pairs of flats. But the rest of them, they're all heels. So this is gonna be harder than I thought, actually. All right, let's do it, guys. Let's see how many we have here. We got, let's start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And upstairs, I didn't bring it down because they're my Ugg boots. And I have 4 Ugg boots upstairs, snow boots and a rain boot. But I'm not touching those because it snows here. And that's what my little fuzzies, my little toesies, love the fuzzies. We're not doing it. We are not touching the Ugg boots. Okay. So first thing first, I need to think of quality over quantity. Okay, I need help, guys. All right, so first we're gonna check if I can even walk in the shoe. If I can't walk in the shoe, we're losing the shoe. So let's take a look. Right away, I got these shoes, and I'm not gonna go through every single one because it'll take a really long time. But I got these shoes when I used to work at BB. That was a very long time ago. So let's see if I can even walk in these shoes. Or can you see me? I'll walk around over here. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Oh my God. I used to work in these shoes. So my 30 Life, when I break my ankle because I can't walk. Okay. cannot walk in these shoes. Goodbye. You've been loved. See you later. I'm 100% getting rid of this. Look at the heel. That is, hold on, focus, girl. That is metal. Okay, that is metal. Girl, one, if your metal is showing on your shoe and you're clickety-clacketing, get rid of that damn shoe or fix the shoe. Fix the heel. It's supposed to have a rubber thing like this. That's metal. Bye-bye. I know leopard's back, but goodbye. Dear Jeffrey Campbell, you've been amazing. And I love you. But you got to go. She has got to go. This is, I don't even know what circa this is. Very well made though. There is not one missing on here. I don't want to get rid of this. But what am I going to wear this? No one said this would be easy. This is actually a lot harder than I thought. Okay, keep going. So these shoes here, Just Fab, they got me with their $10 whatever sales. We're not doing it. It hurts right here. These shoes cut. Bye-bye. These shoes here, Guess shoes. When am I wearing this? Like, why? Bye-bye. You've been a doll, but you gotta go. It's dirty. Like, no, it's like real dirty. Like, that's dirty. We're done. Guess booties. You gotta go. So I used to be like 52. No, really. What is this? I mean, they're cute, but it doesn't spark joy. So bye-bye. These were good to me. BB had some good shoes, like back in the day when I went clubbing, but this is my 30 life. We're not wearing these at 30 years old. Bye. Okay, so that this video isn't like 10 years long, I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just put the shoes aside that make sense to me right now, that are comfortable, that are good quality, and that I can wear with multiple outfits. So let me show you some. These are from Coach. They're real leather. They have the height that I want because clearly I like heels. And I've had these for almost 6 years and the leather is still keep it fresh. So we're keeping these. Where's my keep pile? Everybody needs a good black comfortable heel, especially for wedding season, because we're 30 and everybody around us is getting married if they're not married already. And we always need that one shoe that we could wear to the church, to the reception, and then late night. We do not take our shoes off. Lesson be learned, ladies. We do not take our shoes off. I don't care how bad your feet are. You're not taking it off unless you have other shoes to wear. We don't barefoot. We're not bearing nothing, okay? We are 30. We're not doing it. Okay, Nine West. Beautiful shoe. Still sexy. We gotta stay sexy. keeping. Another good booty for fall, Michael Kors. And I'm not mentioning the brands because I think that these brands are just like the ish. But I'm mentioning the brands because if you find a brand that you love and that works for you, stick to it because you at least know the quality. Oh my God. Okay, I'm coughing here. So, keeping these good quality, and they go with stuff. Another good heel. These ones are by Guess. Sexy heel, booty, real leather, very comfortable, easy to get in and out of. That's really important. Keeping these. These are from Roots. These are a really good summer shoe. Real leather again, very, very comfortable sole. Summer, very good. And another Michael Kors shoe, flat, versatile color, goes well with a lot of things, and comfortable, very, very comfortable. Sneakers, because we're 30 something and we need sneakers. We have to work out. That may come in a next video. This will be my last one. The ankle strap really helps with support when you're walking, especially when you have a thinner platform right here and a higher heel, because your foot is literally like, it's like sitting like that. Let me fix my hair because you look a mess. Fix yourself. People can see you. Oh my God. Okay. So, we're keeping these. All right. Hi guys, I'm back. I needed to get my glass of wine because this is a lot harder than I thought. No. I went to get a glass of wine because it's Friday. And girls, that's what we do when we're 30. Okay. Cheers. Don't get wine on this new floor. So I started off with, for how many shoes? 35 pairs of shoes. And I've narrowed it down to 3, 6, 9. Wow. 9 pairs of shoes, guys. Let me show it to you. All right, so these are the final 9. They made the cut. Basically, our criteria is comfort, versatility, quality, comfort, and working out. So here we go. Getting rid of those. Getting rid of those.
It's been well, my friends. We've had a lot of good times, especially in those boots back there.
But it's time to say goodbye and downsize. So we're sticking to this pile here, guys. And that concludes my video for today. So if you guys want to watch more of my 30 Life series, click that red button below. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm saying that. Okay, anyways, I gotta say it. I want you to subscribe, watch me, follow me, My 30 Life. Hit me up on Instagram, My30Life_, my MY30 life_. And tell me what you guys think. If you like a series like this. Today we're doing shoes, tomorrow I might do clothes, and maybe we'll even do friends. I don't know, come back to see. See you guys later.